In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a FaceTime call from an iPhone to an Android phone or Windows PC. This is a fantastic way to keep in touch with friends and family who may not have Apple devices. Now let's dive right into the process to get you connected across different platforms. First things first, we need to ensure that your iPhone is running iOS 15 or later. Having the latest software version is essential because only in iOS 15 was Apple FaceTime made accessible to non-Apple devices. To update your iPhone, head over to Settings, tap on General and then select Software Update. If you're not already running iOS 15, you'll be prompted here to download and install the latest version. Make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi and has enough battery life. This step ensures your FaceTime app can create and share FaceTime links with Android and Windows users. Once your device is updated, it's time to open the FaceTime app. Here, you'll see a new feature that allows you to create links. Go ahead and tap the Create Link button. This will generate a unique link for your FaceTime call. This link is what you'll send to your Android or Windows friends. You have a couple of options here. You can either copy the link and send it manually through your preferred messaging app, or you can use the Share button to send it directly via SMS, email, or any other communication platform. Now that you have your FaceTime link, it's time to reach out to your contacts using Android or Windows devices. Share the link with them through their regular means of communication, be it SMS, email, or a messaging app like WhatsApp or Messenger. They will receive your message with a link. Once they click on it, their default web browser will open, providing them with access to the FaceTime call through a web-based version. For instance, they might use Google Chrome on Android devices or Microsoft Edge on Windows PCs. When the recipient taps on the link, they don't need any special accounts or additional software aside from their browser. Once they've joined the call, you'll be able to see each other and chat, just like with any regular FaceTime call. The great thing about this feature is its simplicity and the ease with which it bridges the gap between different operating systems, making connecting with everyone a breeze. And there you have it, you've just successfully set up a FaceTime call between an iPhone and a non-Apple device. With these simple steps, staying connected across various platforms has never been easier. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.